Okay, in this part we're going to begin to take some measurements on the neck itself so that we can continue shaping the back. I'm going ahead and mount it in the body, and I've got the bridge set where it's going to be. Now what we need to do is find out the location of the nut. So with all these in place and in line, we can actually take some measurements and mark the center point of the neck there and at the nut, and then we can also do that the end toward the body, and then I can take a straight edge and draw my center line down the face of the neck. And now again, I'm going to make sure that I've got my bridge positioned where I want it to be. Make sure that you've got plenty of motion for the tremolo if you're using that type of bridge. And then we're going to measure from basically the center of the bridge, and you're going to have to allow for some of the intonation and the compensation that's on the saddles. But take a good average measurement and mark the scale length so that you'll have a location for the bottom of the nut. And then I'm going to mark this off perpendicular to the center line on the neck that we drew. Then we have a measurement from the bridge up to the bottom of the nut on our center line. And then that's going to be the location of where we're going to cut the nut slot. And then from there we can measure down and make a mark for where the 12th fret will be. So here we have the nut. We've marked down for the 12th fret. And then I've extended those lines down the sides and across the back. And I've also drawn that center line down the back of the neck as well. See how those extend down the sides there. And as they extend down, these are the marks we're going to use to shape the back profile.